Hey, it's Tyrone Jackson, the Wealthy Investor, coming at you with another hot educational video. If you are serious about making money in the stock market, both in the long term and the short term. Okay, I got to get right to this because I've gotten so many questions about this, and there's so much curiosity about IPOs. What is an IPO? It's an initial public offering when shares of a particular company actually go public. And one of the latest that we've seen is a company called Snapchat. Now, take a look at this chart with me. Ticker symbol SNAP. Now, this is something I was telling my audience and my fans and those of you who are already members of trade school, stay away from Snapchat. Nothing good is going to happen. You notice the company went public, the stock peaked where? Right up here at $28. Wall Street went crazy, and now here we are less than a month, and look at the stock chart. This stock is going down, 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 and even further down. If you listen to me, if you follow the wealthy investor approach, you know how passionate I am about not throwing your money in the way in the stock market. Why was there such a frenzy on Snapchat? Because it was a new name, but the warning signs were already there. This is a company that lost $500 million before it went public. And I tell you all the time, because I want you to make money in the stock market, never put your money into a company that's losing money before it goes public. That's why IPOs, we never touch them. If we zoom in and we look at even the 1 month chart, the picture's still just dramatic, and the stock just keeps falling, falling, and it would expect that to continue to happen. Now, here's the other thing that I wanted to point out. This is another company, and you may know the name of this company, and it's called GoPro. Right now, if you look at GoPro here, this is max. I'm going to blow up this chart here so that you can really see this in rather dramatic fashion. I told my students not to own this stock. Look at what happened. It went all the way from $79 all the way down, 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 down to where it's trading now, which is around $8.43. Do you see that up here? Okay. What is the lesson learned from GoPro? The lesson learned from GoPro is you never invest in a company that has one product. Even though they have gone public, you don't want to lose your money. So I am your greatest advocate for learning how to both trade, bring in cash, and invest money. So this is a stock I called a year ago, and I kept saying to everyone, will you please purchase these shares if they fit into your portfolio? The company, of course, is Domino's Pizza. Ticker symbol DPZ. Why? Because of apps and the way that consumers are ordering pizzas now and credit cards are on file. Domino has perfected that game. So here we see the max chart, right? Since the company's been public at $22 a share, it did have a dip down, but they turned their revenues around and satisfied both Wall Street and me, and the stock started rising. You see, we didn't have to be in here at this period. We picked up the stock when the revenues start to rise. So if we look at a 5-year chart here, of course I'm using Yahoo Finance as the place to get my research. We pick up the stock just as the company starts to grow that top line revenue on the quarterly basis, on the annual basis. If you don't know what I'm talking about, then it's time for you to get that financial education that you need. Look, this is a stock that is in a strong upward trend. It's crossed $100 and it's on its way to $250. If you don't know how to trade stocks, don't throw your money away. You need a financial education. And for those of you who have not yet joined me at witradeschool.com, feel free to start your membership today. Go to the hot stock section and you'll see the stocks that I highly recommend that you own, either if you want to trade them or invest them for the long term. I prefer that you are always on the right side of the trade, not in Snapchat, losing money, or GoPro, because they focus on one product and they have terrible, terrible, terrible revenues. I prefer you join me here at Trade School, where we keep things to the upside. Hey, it's Tyrone Jackson, always looking out for you and your money and wanting you to have that financial education and in the know. Trade School is the place to be. And guess what? I post videos there every single week, just like this one. So you know the losing trades from the losing investments from the winning investments. Just stick with the winners and you'll be a winner.